Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
Aloe Vera is that one product that needs no introduction. It's loaded with vitamins and minerals and works great for both your skin and your hair. Now, if I start listing down the benefits of aloe vera, it's probably going to take me an entire day and that'll be a bit too much for one video. So I'm going to stick to just 5 benefits that have definitely worked for me. Mix 1 tablespoon aloe vera with 1 tablespoon milk, 1 tablespoon honey, a pinch of turmeric and a few drops of rose water. Mix it well. It acts as a moisturizer and doesn't leave you feeling greasy. Apply it and leave in for about 20 minutes and then rinse. It has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties which help fight against infections and also soothe the scalp. Just apply some aloe juice on your scalp, leave it on for a while and wash it off. Aloe leaves contain antioxidants that keep the skin firm and hydrated, so you won't see those fine lines anytime soon. Aloe vera has the ability to repair dead skin cells on the scalp and also acts as a great conditioner, leaving your hair all smooth and shiny. Mix equal quantities of aloe vera juice with coconut oil. Apply and leave it on for as long as possible for strong, smooth and bouncy hair. Aloe vera also has healing properties that help reduce skin inflammation, itchiness and heal skin quickly. Aloe vera works for all skin types, but there are definitely exceptions. So all you can do is do a small patch test before you go full in and you'll be good to go. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Also, check out the POPxo shop. We have amazing merchandise on it. There's mugs, cushion covers, laptop sleeves and whatnot. Click on the link in the description box below to go crazy shopping. And for more such videos, keep watching POPxo Beauty.